Hey there, have you ever stopped to think about numbers? I mean, really think about them? Every single number holds a secret, a kind of hidden code that gives it its power. And today, we're going to crack that code together. Let's just jump right in with a question.
Seriously, think about it. You've got a 4 and a 7 in both of them. So why is having $47 so different from having $74? What's the secret ingredient that changes everything?
And the answer is actually super simple. It's all about location. Where a digit lives inside a number is, well, it's everything. Its position, its place, that's what gives it its real value. And that one simple idea is the key to understanding all of math.
So let's dive in and give this secret code a proper name. We're going to break down the amazing power of place. And here it is, the big idea, place value. This is the one fundamental rule that our entire number system is built on. I'm telling you, once you get this, you've basically mastered the language of numbers.
To make this crystal clear, let's picture it this way. Think of a number like it's a street with a bunch of little houses on it. And there's one really important rule on this street. Only one digit can live in each house. No roommates. We're going to build our number street starting from the right. This first house, the one on the far right end, that's the ones house. It's for all the single digits. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9.
Now this is where the magic really starts. When we move just one house over to the left, we're not in the ones neighborhood anymore. This is the tens house. Any digit living here is suddenly 10 times more powerful.
And guess what? The pattern just keeps going. Move one more house to the left, and you've arrived at the hundreds house. A digit living here isn't just a digit anymore, it's worth 100 times its normal value. Every step to the left is like getting a massive promotion.
Okay, so we have our houses set up. The ones, the tens, the hundreds. Now let's actually use them to build and understand any number you can think of.
It's actually a really simple 3-step recipe. First, you just spot the digit you're looking at. Second, you figure out which house it lives in. Is it the ones, tens, or hundreds? And then third, you just put those two things together to find out what it's truly worth.
All right, time to put our new skills to the test. Let's take the number 345. We're going to go in and find the real value of every single digit inside it.
So check this out. The 5 is living in the ones house, right? So its value is just 5. Easy. But now look at the 4. It's in the tens house. So it's not just a 4. It really means 4 tens, or 40. And that 3? It's all the way over in the hundreds house, giving it a massive value of 300.
And that right there is the whole point. That 3 on its own is just a 3. But because of its location, because it's living in that prime real estate of the hundreds place, its real value is a whopping 300. That's place value in action.
Okay, so now that we know how to take numbers apart, let's use that superpower for something really useful, putting numbers into a head-to-head battle to see which one's bigger. A number face-off. All right, here's our challenge. At first glance, 621 and 612 look almost identical. I mean, they use the exact same digits, a 6, a 2, and a 1. But we know one of them is bigger. So, how do we figure it out for sure?
Here is the one golden rule you have to remember. When you compare numbers, you don't start at the end. You always start from the far left, because that's where the most powerful digits, the heavy hitters, live.
Let's do this step by step. We start on the left, in the hundreds house. So, 621 has a 6, and 612 has a 6. Okay, it's a tie. No winner yet. So we just slide one house to the right into the tens place. And bingo, we found it. 621 has a 2 living in its tens house, while 612 only has a 1. Since 2 is bigger than 1, we found our winner.
And there you have it, our final answer. 621 is officially greater than 612. It's that simple once you know where to look.
So you might be thinking, okay, that's a neat trick, but why does this actually matter? Well, let me tell you, this isn't just some abstract math idea. It's a skill you use all the time.
You literally use place value every single day. It's how you know at the store that $1.99 is way cheaper than $9.91. It's how you can wrap your head around the huge difference between $1 million and $1 billion. It's not just important, it's the absolute foundation for all the other math you'll ever do.
So here's the big takeaway. That secret code we talked about at the beginning, it's not a secret to you anymore. You now hold the key to build, understand, and compare any number,
no matter how ridiculously big it gets.
So I'll leave you with a final thought. Now that you're an expert, what's stopping you? You know the rules. You can add a thousandths house, a millionths house, even a billionths house. The system is limitless. So go on. What's the biggest, most incredible number you can dream up?